In this lecture, we need to arrange views like this inside layout. Go to here, select here layout. You will get it like this page setup manager. If you didn't get, just go to here, right click this layout. You will get it here page setup manager. Then select here new. Just keep as it is this name. Then click OK. It will go to the page setup. You can see here page setup name. Then select here drawing to PDF. Then select here paper size. Select here ISO full bleed A3. Select this one. Other all the thing keep as it is. Select here monochrome. Then only you will get it black and white. You can see here like this black and white print. Make it this all the thing keep as it is. Then click OK. Select this one. Set current. Then close this one. Select this one. Delete it. Previous lecture we created this title block. Press Ctrl Shift C in your keyboard. Press Ctrl and press Shift together. Then press C in your keyboard. You will get it copy with base point. Click this endpoint. Select this title block. Then press Enter. Go to here. Press Ctrl V in your keyboard. 0, 0, then press Enter. Now it will place perfectly this location. You can see here it is placed inside this paper space. Next we need to arrange this all the thing. For that, go to here layout tab. If you are inside layout, then only you will get it this layout tab. Select this layout tab. Inside this layout tab, if you click this style and standard, you can see here two things. One is first angle projection. Next is third angle projection. Simply I will tell you, first angle projection means if you look from this side, then if you draw this side, that is first angle projection. This is very simple introduction. If you look from this side, you can see this circle and this circle, means this one and this one. Then if you draw this side, that is first angle projection. But in third angle projection, if you look from this side, the same side, if you draw the view, that is third angle projection. Which projection your company using, you have to select the angle of projection. I choose here third angle projection, then click OK. Then go to here create view panel. Select here base and select here from model space. Select this model space. Within few seconds you will get it this one. Click here, then press enter in your keyboard. Then go to this side, click here, then go to this side, place it like this. Then go to here, click this location, then press enter. It will place like this. Next we need to arrange it in scale. You can see here I used a scale 1:1.5. Go to here. If you select this one, click this grip, you can see the scale, but here we don't have 1:1.5. We have 1:1 and 1:2 default you have, but we don't have 1:1.5. We can create that one. Go to the model tab. Click here this drop down. Select here custom. Make it here add 1:1.5. Paper unit, just keep as it is 1. Drawing unit, I just make here 1.5. Then click OK and click OK again. Go to the layout. Select this one. Click this grip. Select this one 1:1.5. Now it is arranged properly here. Select this one. Click this grip. You can place it wherever you want. Select this one also, you can slightly adjust and you can place it. Press F8, you can remove ortho mode, so you can freely place it, this one. Next, if you want to make this one layers, we can make that one. For that, go to here, layer properties. You will get it default these layers. If you want more layer, you can create more layers by clicking here. I just make here dimension layer, or you can make it short name DIM. I just make here color, this color, then click OK. You can see here hidden line. Hidden, I just make here red color, then click OK. This is actually object layer. I just make here green color. Title block, I just keep as it is. Go to create new layer. I just make here center line layer. Center. I just make here yellow color for center line layer. We need to change here line type also. Click here. Then go to the load. If you go down, you can see here center 5x. Select this one. Center 2, center 5x. Make it this one. Click OK. And select here also. Select this one. Click OK again. You will get it that one here. You can change here. Make it here 0. And here this one hidden also make it here 0. This dimension also you can make it here 0. Then click OK. Click here. We can make it a text layer also. Just make here text. Make here color. I just make this color, cyan color. This also just make it I just make a little dark, this one. Make it 0.25. It is more than enough. Other all the thing keep as it is. Close this one. Now you can see all the lines and its color, everything changed like this. Next, this one, this 3D view, you can see it is looking like this. We need it the same thing. Select this one. Go to here, edit view. Select here, shaded with a visible line. You will get it like this. Then press escape key. You can see here. Select this one. Click this grip, slightly adjust like this. So next lecture we can create a dimension text and all.